Very interesting in logical algebra equation, how we can calculate, how to can solve for the solve for x is unknown. If the equation is given in the form of x by 12 plus x by 20 plus x by 30 is equal to 2. Very interesting. So this type of question we are using two methods in here. First method, if we are taking common x from the denominator term, so x we can write 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 is equal to 2. Now we are making the factor of 12, 20 and 30. So we can write this one 3 multiplied by 4 and plus 1 4 multiplied by 5 we get 20, 3 multiplied by 4 we get 12 and 4 multiplied by 5 we get 20 plus and 5 multiplied by 6 we get 30 is equal to 2. Now according to the property of the division fraction part, so we are using in here the property, we can write this fraction and the denominator is in the multiplication product form, so we change in the form of 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So if we are taking their LCM, so we get 12 and 4 minus 1 we get 1, 1 by 12 we get the same term. Similarly, we are making from this term according to the property 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5. So if we are taking LCM, 4 multiplied by 5 we get 20 and we 5 minus 4 we get 1 by 20 we get the same term. Similarly, and here we are using 1 by 5 and minus 1 by 6 is equal to 2. The same property of the product term and the base is in the product term. So how we can subtract in the fraction form, we can according to this rule we are applying in here. So now look here, so if we are expanding in here the brackets, open the brackets, so how many terms are cancelled to each other, so the result will becomes and here, so minus 1 by 4 and plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 and plus 1 by 5 we get the result x 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 2. And here x 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 2. Now we are taking LCM of this one x, we get in here 6 is the LCM and 3 multiplied by 2 we get 2, 2 is multiplied by 1, so 1 2 multiplied by 1. Similarly 6 divided by 6 we get 1, 1 is multiplied by 1 to the denominator term, so we get in here 1 multiplied by 1. X is equal to 2 minus 1 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Now x, if we subtract the result 1 by 6 is equal to 2. Now multiply, we try to finish, we are finding the value of x. So multiplying both sides by 6 we can write x by 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 6. So both are cancelled, x is equal to 12 is the solution of this question by one method. If we are using this was the first method we have done by some properties. So now x divided by 12 plus x divided by 20 plus x divided by 30 is equal to 2 using second method. Now first of all in the denominator term 12, 20 and 30 we are taking LCM combinedly, so 12, 20 and 30. Now look here, if we take their LCM, so 6 and 10 and 15. Now again we are divided by 2, so 5 and 15. Again we divided by 3 and 5 and 5. So 5 and 1 and 1. So that is the LCM we get in here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So we get in here 2, 4 multiplied by 3, 12, 12 multiplied by 5 we get 60. 60 is the LCM of this one. If we are taking LCM is 60 and in here is 2. Now 12 multiplied by 5 we get 60. So 5 is multiplied to the denominator term. Similarly, 60 divided by 20 we get 3. 3 is multiplied by denominator. So similarly 60 divided by 30 we get 2. 2 is multiplied by this one. So we get the answer in here if we add when the bases are same. In case of addition, 5 plus 3 plus 5, we get in here 10x divided by 60 is equal to 2. Now 10x is equal to 2 multiplied by 60. Now dividing both sides by 60, 10. So 10 times cancel, this will be cancelled, x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 is very simple method. You can also use this method. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share your friends. Thanks again for watching.